Well, it's been pouring down rain the last couple days. It's cold and wet, and why would it be any different for turkey shoot? Only our plans are changing a little bit. We're not taking the buggy. It's too cold and nasty for that. We don't feel like getting all muddy. So we're going to take the Jeep today. We'll go visit with everybody and have a good time. Do a little bit lighter trail day and see if we can make it back in one piece. We'll see you in Wellsville. Ran into Joe. We're gonna see how muddy he gets later. Everybody tell him to rotate his tires.
This is Joe, no beers in. No. Well, all cruising around in the Jeep, made it down some nasty slippery hills, crossed through the creek bed, did some rocks, pulled up on Lookout, and eat a sandwich and enjoy the view for a few minutes here. A lot of people out, surprisingly. The weather is complete crap. It just started sprinkling again, and it's cold. Creekbed to go find some missing parts. I'll throw the picture in here. We found them right on the bend of the hill coming down Half Hour. And these guys are down here broken a Creekbed, and they're going to try and weld everything back together. That's the part that ripped right out of the thing, and these guys got an onboard welder in there. They're going to try and weld it back up.
No, it's done. Oh, it's done. It's done. That sucks. Well,
that grinder just shot flames out the side of it. I don't think it's going to work for this project. Trying to look for help.
You just gonna pull straight in here and fix my broken shit. We got broken stuff. And we smoked them. And we smoked. You gonna share some of those or what? Huh?
Don't know. Getting that part all welded up. I'm gonna put it back in this thing, and then they're gonna drive him out. He's gonna be able to assist with his front wheel drive. The rear drive shaft is damaged pretty bad, and it's not gonna make it. So I'm gonna hook a line to him, and they're gonna drag him and try and make it up the hill out of here. But I think we're gonna head on, and we're gonna go hit some more trails for a little while. Touch base with them later, hopefully up at camp. All right, it got dark on us out there. We weren't able to film too much. The GoPro doesn't work very well in the dark, but we came out of there in one piece. Nothing's damaged or broken. It's just filthy. So usually that's normal for turkey shoot. It's always a wet, muddy mess, but we enjoyed it. It was nice staying dry and warm in there, and it was fun in the Jeep, not hitting too much crazy stuff, trying not to destroy the thing. But I do want to get the buggy out at least one more time this season. I'm hoping weather cooperates and we can do that in December. That way we're not cooped up too long. You know, winter's long around here. We're in northeastern Ohio, and it's not too fun in an open vehicle and sub-freezing temperatures. So hoping even if I got to go south and see if we could find something to wheel on sometime in December, and then we'll be on to some build projects. I got some things lined up. Might share some of that with you guys. Let me know if that's something you'd like to see, some of the projects. But I guess I'll try and see you on the next video. Hopefully we're wheeling in December.